Hello, this is Mark Freed, and this is the sixth video in a set that I am creating for new users of the KNILT platform to teach you how to use MediaWiki commands to create and format your KNILT pages. So in this video, we're going to talk about formatting text, and it's pretty straightforward and very similar in some ways to things that you've done in other applications like Word or whatever else you may have worked in. So let's start very quickly. As I've pointed out before, you have a link here, number 3, to the help formatting page. And at the very top, they talk about just formatting text in italic or boldface. And it's very straightforward. What you do is you can do it actually from an editing bar that we've had open before, but I haven't discussed, or you can do it directly using combinations of single apostrophes. So 2 single apostrophes on each side of one or more words italicizes those words. 3 single apostrophes on each side makes them boldface. And 5, not surprisingly, 2 plus 3, makes them italics and boldface. So if you look here at what I've done, excuse me, I've got 2 single apostrophes on each side of one or more words, and here are the 2 single apostrophes, italicizes them. I've got 3 here for boldface, and I've got 5 for italicizes them in boldface. Now, I also could have gone up here and used the B or the I. So, for example, if I wanted to make that header bold, I could do that, and it inserted the 3 single apostrophes on either side. So if we save this, we now see this is now bold, and these already were in italics and bold. So that's how you create italics and apostrophes. Something else you're probably going to want to do at some point in creating your courses is indent text for any number of reasons. So you may want to indent it just to indent it, and you do that with colons. You may want to have bullets. You create bullets by using asterisks. You may want to have numbered lists, which you do using hashtags, and you may want to create itemized lists, such as this, with semicolons. So again, let's open it up and see what I've actually done here. I've used the semicolon format to create that list. So I have a semicolon, the word indentation, and then I wanted to indent it. So I have 2 colons because I want to indent it the same distance as the single hashtag. That's just the way it works. Again, you have the option up here to create bulleted lists. So if I add another line here and I hit bullet, it's going to give me an asterisk, which creates a bulleted. So it says bulleted list item, and let's just leave it like that. Let's just put another numbered list item in. There's a hashtag. And so now I've got bulleted list item and the numbered list item below it. So numbers are always indented automatically by 1, which is why I had to use 2 colons here so they'd line up. Now you can also combine these things in different formats. So for example, you can combine an asterisk and a colon, and that will give you indented bullets. So this produces and you can do a number of things with hashtags. So for example, if you do hashtag asterisk, it actually won't be numbered, which is a little strange. What you get is an indented bullet in a numbered list. So if we have the hashtag above it, you would do it this way. You would have the hashtag, and that would be the start of your list, and then first item in list would be here. So now we've got the start of your list from that hashtag, and the first item, instead of being numbered, is bulleted. Let's go back into the edit. If I want to have it numbered, I would put 2 hashtags. So now I've got it numbered. The best way to learn how to use it is to go through here, and you will find out how to do different combinations of numbers. So it's pretty straightforward, and I would recommend that that's what you do if you get into the situation where you need to create a somewhat complex numbered list. One more form that you can create is a hyphenated list. So for example, you can use the colon followed by the hyphen So now you have a hyphenated list. You have to have the colon first. So the symbol is colon hyphen. You get a hyphen out of it. Again, it's all explained in the help pages here. So there are so many different combinations you can do that you will want to refer to this page in order to figure out how to format your list the way you want it. So that's how you create different lists and format text. Again, you do have a toolbar up here which will do those things for you. And if you don't see it when you open it up, it's because it will probably open up just like this. And you click on advanced, and that gives you the basic formatting. You can increase, decrease text size, and you can do superscripts and subscripts. You can insert pictures. There are more things you can do here, which you can explore on your own time. But for basic formatting, this is it. And that is really all you need to know to get started with your creation of your KNILT projects.